Hey world, it's your girl Nikki, Nikki's Way, here to share some content, here to show you and take you on my journey in my life. And today I'm going to be talking about my nighttime facial routine, guys. Now, with that being said, I've been wanting to improve my face, basically my skin health for a very long time. I want to clear it up completely. And I use a brush now, and it's called the Vanity Scrub Brush. And the brush that I use basically is it exfoliates my skin, which it does is remove all the dead skin cells so that all the new skin cells that you have coming in, after 30 days, after your skin sheds, because your skin does shed, and sometimes those dead skin cells they don't fall down and they get stuck on your face, and that's why your pores can get clogged. They start looking flaky and dry. That can be a result of that. So me using that brush to exfoliate my skin basically and remove those dead skin cells that got stuck helps me prevent that. Now, with that being said, after I exfoliate my skin, what I do is I rinse, and you want to rinse with lukewarm water. And once you drop your face, I dry up my face with a towel. Once I'm done with that, I use coconut oil to soothe out my skin. Now, to top it off, now when it comes to what soap you use, I think that does matter. The ones that I tend to use are Methods, like body wash soap. Any of them are dope. Fragrance free, free of harmful chemicals. Also the Honest Company. I usually use that for my kids, but I like to use that for my skin too if I feel like I don't have anything that I feel like is good for my skin. Now, the Honest Company, fragrance free. It uses essential oils, aloe vera oil, coconut oil, lavender oil. And it's definitely free from all harsh chemicals. And it's not tested on animals. There's no animal byproduct in it. It's a dope brand. It's made by Jessica Alba. Really dope. I love the soap. Those are the type of soaps that I want to use for my skin, especially since I think that it's so sensitive. You don't want to just put anything on your face, because I definitely don't just use any soap for my face. So I think that you should definitely put some consideration into the soap that you decide to use, as you're trying to, clear up your skin, get that nice, shiny, clear skin that you want to have, that I know I want to have. So basically, that's my nighttime facial routine. That's what I do. Um, it's dope. So we out here trying to improve our health, however we want to improve it, inside, outside. That's my facial routine. So I'll break it down one time for you. Rinse my face, clear it up, get my scrub brush. That brush head exfoliates. Take my nice good soap, it exfoliates. After that, rinse, lukewarm water, right? After that, you dry it up nicely with a towel, coconut oil. Quick and easy. It don't get no better than that. But that's my nighttime facial routine. It's pretty dope. Oh, I also want to say real quick that I guess using the brush, I would say for a good 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes going over my face, just to give you a little time frame. You can do your own time frame, however long you want to do it. That's how I do it. It's a pretty quick process. I love it so far. I love the brush. So with that being said, that was my nighttime facial routine, guys. Check it out. Try it out. You got any facial routines? You got any suggestions you want to give me that I can give to you? Whatever you want to do. Whatever type of exchange of information. Please drop it on my comments down below. Comment down below. Like, subscribe. I want to hear from you. Put some comments down below. What's up? What is everyone doing? What are you doing with your facial routine? What are you doing? I want to know. Share it down below. Have a good night. Have a good morning wherever you at. If you're going to work, going home, whatever it is. Have a good day. It was your girl Nikki's Way. Here to share my way. Good night. Peace.